If you want a home that you can feel proud of, clean, fresh, and comfortable, you're in the right place. I'm Mark Gellner, and I'm the owner of Stanley Steemer Sarasota. For over 44 years, we've been committed to serving the communities we call home. And we have built this business for one reason: to help families feel confident and comfortable in their homes.
My name is Matt Rasmussen, and I'm the manager of the Sarasota market. I've been with the company since 1988, so 37 years. Stanley Steemer is the best in the industry. I've been with them for a long time. I've had the opportunity to move all over the country. Really enjoyed my time with them. I think what sets us apart from our competitors is quite a few things. The training of our employees, the quality of the equipment and chemicals that we use, and our selection of employees.
This company has always been about people, the people we serve and the people who show up every day to do the work. We don't just work here, we care about our community. That leads to a peace of mind and gives you the confidence that you're making the right decisions.
We enter their home, and by the time we leave, we've cleaned their tile, we've cleaned their carpets, we've cleaned their furniture, we've cleaned their wood floors, cleaned their car, maybe, everything. We're leaving, and typically people are very happy that we were there.
At the end of the day, it's not just about clean floors or restored spaces. It's about understanding what actually is needed and what isn't before any work begins.
If you want honest answers and a team that treats your space with real respect,
you're in the right place.